welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Maxine. And Maxine is out today and she's talking about Jeanette. Now, it's a twist in the story because she's saying that Jeanette went and bring her up. Basically, she brought her into court and she, Janet, missed the court date. So the judge threw out everything. So Maxine was surprised about this because Maxine said that she helped Janet. She was the one speaking with Janet and stuff. And some of the voice notes or the clips of the airing, like when she and Janet was talking, Janet does not know that she has those. So Janet was asking her, begging her not to let anyone know that they spoke or that she, Janet, called her Maxine. So, guys, you have to go ahead and go watch the video to hear what Maxine has to say about this. As, she's saying that, she didn't know, she didn't expect it. She didn't expect that Janet would have done to her, would have served her, but she did. But Maxine is talking a whole lot of things about this and more. And as you know, Ashanti is always in the mix. So go ahead and go watch the video, hear what Maxine has to say. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And for all my lovelies out there that are celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, I want to wish you love, joy, peace, happiness, and prosperity. And for all my other lovelies that are out there, today, make it a beautiful day. And if you could put a smile on someone else's day, do so. All right. And Maxine, I think she's selling some stuff to like swimwears and stuff. So go ahead and go support her business and have yourselves a beautiful, beautiful day.
Her picture and looking at her, exactly how Ashanti says she looks with the beard and all of that is true. She don't know how to take care of herself. Like, then somebody will have money and then just give up themselves. So, and then same thing, they then just know so them a thief the money and they do what then they do. Yeah. You see the picture where she lie down on something? Definitely makes she look like about in her 80s. Yep. When I saw her, she one big baggy pants. One big shot. Really do have one facial ears and all of them, something if it's true, but me never want, she looks so bad in front of us. And when I call her friend and I said, mighty God, and not even me call her friend called me and said, why me they say she no look bad? She did, I see him so oh, and she said she look as how she look. And me say, Lord man, me can't come out and say that. He said, no, what you have to just talk it with Maxine, how she look or how she look. Ashanti not tell no lie when it comes to the look. Big belly. So not because you go do surgery and now, pan your pum pum and pan your belly. What else you do surgery pan again? The back way too? Yes, Janet do surgery, people. She do surgery. So now because you do surgery now, you come go on like say. Come on, Janet. Now come go on like say pan me. Because you shouldn't do that long time. I told you, the time you waste your money for Ashanti, go fix up yourself. Like you could do laser and take out the hair them and stuff like that. In doing belly, she do pum pum rejuvenation. I don't know if I saw this story, if I saw the name stay. The pum pum, the soap, the pum pum part. She do the pum pum and she do the belly. Yes. When you hear Ashanti the ball there, and even she send a text and say, I know Ashanti makes she do the surgery, she just feel like she wants to do the surgery, she feel young again, and stuff like that. She do pum pum rejuvenation. I saw your name? Simpson, I saw your name? The rejuvenation part of the pum pum? And the belly. And she might do the body too, me no know. I think she do the body, because her sister have a better butt than her. Me go find out. If she do the, me no want to tell no lie pan her. Me know do the pum pum and do the belly. But me no sure, 100% sure about the body part. And me want to be 100% sure. So me they go ask again if he do the body. No, because look here, if you not have sex more, so no, we know, because remember, said the dick now work, you know. So if you do the pum pum, you know, stretch out back. If more, if you go sew up now, the pum pum sew up. It sew up. She do the pum pum rejuvenation thing. And sew up the pum pum. Ashanti can't come talk to me. You know what day Ashanti go talk to me and Janet look all the more than me. Janet belly bigger more for me. All when the doctor them look about he still look bigger more mine. Ashanti can't talk to me. Janet a old girl. Whole. Nobody no want Janet. I saw him name put the pum pum rejuvenation. Okay. Nobody no want Janet. And because Janet husband younger one Janet and name Janet front. Cause as to Janet, he can't do anything because the husband cheat on her first. That's why she cheat with Ashanti. Janet, now make me take out your Tory out here. I get your Tory, Janet. You know business who they eat me. You want to come eat me? Do you want to come eat me? Me tell you say me they look eat. You want to come eat me? Come. You know if you find me. Because Janet husband and yam. Yes. The husband cheat pan Janet. Because Janet no have nothing. The only reason why Janet and her husband still together right now is because if they divorce, after everything what Janet have, they go to the husband. And now that the husband find out saying got house in America, half of that they go to him too. Yes. Him and the husband not really there. But they not divorce. Because remember, say Janet are the breadwinner. So after everything, they go to him. And Janet now go want that. She would never live with that. Janet a old girl. Janet all a mommy. Janet all a more than me, people. So any grey ear what Ashanti they look pan and yam with him out after Janet. He must know if anything green because Ashanti mouth is very green. So any greenness when they get, a Janet in they get it from. Janet a old thief. The government they look for Janet because he want to know where Janet asset them day. With all our Janet thief up. Welcome to America. But you come out there, they buy things with cash. Because you don't want no paper trail. You go there have paper trail. Because all when you buy in your mama name, in your sister name, all when you buy 100 group home, and take how much pitney from the state, and all the money them what the government give you for the pitney them, like if they go on vacation with them and then give you their money, and you take it come to Florida, come buy house, all of that, they good on Janet. Yes. In Ontario, Canada. To be exact. Address and all, Janet. Everything they go down. That's why you want to keep your something them confidential. How you come from other foreign country and if you come out you can't have your information confidential when you don't have your information already. You know what, come read it for me. Come read it for me because I don't know what the Bible go tell me say. The Bible tell me say an eye for an eye. And that the part of the Bible no more me read. So now ask me if me read the Bible. Me read that the part the way you say an eye for an eye. You ain't see Ashanti, you like Ashanti, see Ashanti here, you like her? May I save her for you? You like her? I feel this. This a for your property. Janet was commit so much crime. Janet a whole heap of crime you commit. All the accountant don't get himself in a trouble, Janet, when they do your tax. Cause a lot of things not show to the government. You remember, Janet? Alright. Me talk to you later, Janet. Janet, me will talk to you later. Yeah, man. Me have the bill and receipt. Yeah, people me never know say so people know people business. You just want to put out certain things. I bet if me put out Janet picture and tell them say here she is in Canada, Ontario. A whole motor will come in. A whole motor will come in. Hey, hey. Janet, you think your head at you yet? When you tell me say me must deal with it because you can't deal with nothing because your head they hurt you. You're so stressed out because you have to deal with that. You have to deal with the group home them. You have to deal with your business. You have to deal with the government. You have to deal with the tax. The tax evasion. What you they do? In Janet? Tell Ashanti if you come contact to me. Because me bust it worry for you. Me bust it worry.
Mayor John asked me to come and train some people, asked me to come and do some speech, asked me to do a session. Okay, my God, you can't make me lose work.
Ashanti can't make me stop.
You can't make me lose work. But that's the spirit of ingratitude, and I hate it. I hate it very much. When people been good to you, even when the days are rough, always remember who was good to you. Remember who put this meal on your table today. Remember who wanted you healthy and well when you weren't. Remember people who did for you what you couldn't do for yourself or what you pretended you couldn't do.
Me have to go charge the Facebook one.
Don't go around here.
Facebook, you're not gonna see me. I'm off camera.
Be able to feed their families. Don't go around here. You hear me? Ingrid, this hurt me on a personal level, Ingrid Nugent. Listen, for you to go around and, well, guys, don't get it wrong. Not for Ingrid. I just refer to Ingrid by telling her this hurt. Ingrid. This hurt me on a personal level for a person to go around wanting for me to lose income. So I can take care of my family. The same income to rescue several times. What kind of human being does that? What
The worst.
kind of human being
The worst.
does that?
Thank you for joining me, guys. Thanks for the thumbs up.
But you know,
I have to put the Facebook one down because it's like 5%. So I have to plug it in.
Look here, Ingrid. People who for life me save, me here. The people them who Jesus, Ingrid, and keep it moving.
And nobody else? Nobody else, Mala?
But, you know, there's a God. And like I told myself for weeks and for months, that, well, I'm not 3 months, but 2 weeks, I have nothing to address. Nothing to address. And that is why I maintain my silence. I have nothing to come out here, come address with nobody. I'm not cause pain and sorrows to nobody. I'm not coming out here and divulging no information to nobody. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. Because they say every story have 2 sides, isn't it? And I could talk the other side. And if I did talk the other side, same people around come say woof woof, have to come back now come say woof woof. I'm not about that life. I'm too grown for that. And if people know you and know what conversation they had with you, they would have known that when I tell her this, I tell her that, I tell her this, and I tell her that. How comes me not hear that? Why me I hear what is in the public domain? And that you run with. And y'all so crazy, y'all felt like, oh, I was this comedy hurt, I was the wickedest person, can I do the most? How? I'm done the song, never said this, I never said that. And there's so much that has been said. But I'm not here for what was said and what wasn't said. Because if me start talking, it's not going to make it any better, it's going to make it worse. So I'm not going to look at none of that, but all I can say, hearing people who just sacrifice out your little to hell, saying they want you to lose your job.
Oh, Lord.
And rock them. You know those spots where you know the have to be the footstool. Ungrateful people can't win nothing. And nobody can fire me.
Me have to charge this, guys.
I work for nobody. I work for myself.
We have to plug them in. Them are
become a beggar. And a serial beggar.
Them are got dead. So me have to make them lie down. Sorry. You guys can't see my beautiful face anymore.
So them can't pick up the bad habits where other people stop.
Me have to plug them in for charge.
Alright, I love you. I love you. My brother in Florida, I love you. My sister from down at Jamaica, call me, sit me down, talk to me. Thank you. I love you. God, nothing work and spoil it.
Now, what is history from Jamaica? Forget about the brother of Florida. Co-worker. That's what I say. I don't know. That's what I say.
No, you don't get jealous and go fight now. Nobody can see so.
I don't wrong you. Lady V, Timir Matlock said that too. I don't want to lie for that. I'm an ID. I believe Kingston 13 lied on Lady V, especially with the part of throwing other vloggers into the mix. For example, she lied on Chocolate and Vanilla to put a wedge between them. And Lady V and Donna, this was done as a vengeance towards Lady V. 13 is a disgusting lie. Don't forget the cutest. Alright, keep them coming. You know, I just a listen and read. So when me talk is a problem.
But me not understand. He said no for this stuff while 13 talk about Lady V a lie. But yet everything while Lady V say about me are true. Everything what Lady V say about me, you know, he repeat it and he say a true, my sister, my niece this, my sister this, my pitney this. A true. But nothing else not true in there, you know. Nothing else not true in there. I'm not fear about dog.
Alone. Me talk is a problem, but you don't know. One way name him to them. Pose up with Lady V. My name. And all these people.
God, Jesus, me not
my daddy. My daddy. Yeah, make feel.
No, man. Me have to get that back. What how many see that picture there?
The next 30 seconds, I'll tell you exactly how to sell your house in less than a month and get cold hard cash.
What? I done, you know.
With a big old spice.
In done to rotted.
That not me, man, Marley. That not me, man. That not me, man. That not me. But I want to keep talking about it. I need no more of that. My boy, sir. That's how I said. Like, come on, man. Come on, man. Let's stop playing with it. Always Jaja. Jaja. Jaja.